Walking on grass tells you more about your balance than a mile of flat floor ever will. If your hand comes out when the ground changes under your foot, that is not your balance failing. That is a skill going quiet. Flat floors are one movement repeated. Uneven ground asks your ankle to land at a different angle every step and correct before your weight arrives. You stopped practicing that, so it faded. This is the path confidence routine that make walking outside feel steadier. One more thing before we start. When the ground feels risky, you walk stiffer. Shorter steps, knees locked, weight held back. That braced walk feels safer, but it's less stable because a stiff leg can't make the small corrections rough ground needs. So we're fixing both. Chair in your hand, carpet under your feet. What you'll need. Find a sturdy chair that doesn't slide, or stand at your kitchen counter. Clear enough space behind you to move one leg back safely. We'll begin sitting down, then finish the routine standing beside it. Let's go. Sit toward the front of your chair. Pull your toes up toward you, then point them gently away. That's 1. 1. Pull up, then point. 2. Keep the knee still. 3. Let the movement come from the ankle. 4. Halfway. 5. 6. Slow and controlled. 7. 8. Every uneven step asks your ankle to make tiny corrections before your body weight arrives. These circles gently practice those same corrections while you're sitting safely. When the surface rises or dips under your foot, the ankle has to flex quickly without making your whole leg stiff. This movement practices that adjustment in a controlled position. Stand behind your chair now, both hands resting lightly on the back. Feet about hip-width apart. Push your hips back and bend your knees like you're beginning to sit down. Go only as low as feels controlled. Then press through your whole foot and stand tall. 8 of them. 1. Hips back, then stand. 2. Keep your heels on the floor. 3. Knees soft, not locked. 4. 5. Let the chair help your balance, not lift your body. 6. Chest up. 7. Slow on the way down. 8. Stand tall and rest. Remember that stiff walk we talked about? Locked knees can't absorb a change in the ground. This movement teaches your hips, knees, and ankles to bend together so your body can lower, adjust, and recover instead of bracing against every step. Stay behind the chair, hands light on the back, and stand tall. Keeping your right leg straight, move it gently behind you. You don't need to lift it high. Bring it back underneath you. Now take the left leg back and return. That's 1 on each side. 1. Right. And left. 2. 3. Keep your chest upright. 4. Don't lean forward as the leg travels back. 5. Squeeze the muscles at the back of the hip. 6. Keep the standing knee soft. 7. Let the moving foot clear the floor. 8. One more each side and bring your feet back underneath you. You're training them while the chair keeps the movement controlled. Last one, stay behind your chair with your feet about hip-width apart. Rise slowly onto the balls of both feet. Lift your heels, pause at the top, then lower them back to the floor with control. 12 of them. 1. Up, pause, and lower. 2. Don't drop the heels. 3. Stand tall. 4. Light hands on the chair. 5. 6. Halfway. 7. Slow on the way down. 8. Feel the ankles working. 9. Keep both heels lifting together. 10. 11. Make the lowering smooth. 12. Heels down and rest. Your calves don't just push you forward, they control your body as your weight moves over the foot. On grass, slopes, and uneven paths, that control keeps each step from feeling like a drop. The slow lowering is the important part. That's where the ankle learns to hold you. Do this 3 or 4 times a week. One sturdy chair and no reason to leave the house for it. Leave the chair somewhere you'll see it, because the routine you can see is the routine you'll do. Then next time you head outside, pay attention to 2 things. Whether your feet feel surer underneath you when the ground changes, and whether your steps feel smoother instead of careful. That's what this routine is really for, not walking further. Walking without having to think about it. If it feels steadier out there, come back here and comment "Path Confidence" so I know it helped you.